Welcome back to the Partner Seller program. In the previous video, we discussed how to join the Elecrow Partner Seller program. In this video, we will explain how to manage orders and shipping. How to view orders. Click My Selling Products in Partner section, enter the Orders tab to view your sales orders. You can filter orders by these options. The order status is divided into 4 types: pending, orders placed but payment not processed; processing, payment confirmed; complete, shipped order; cancelled, cancellation of an order without confirmation of payment. After selecting the filter conditions, click Search to start filtering. How to export orders. Click the column filter to select the displayed exported items, click Export and select the file format to save the order list as a local file, click Print to print the order list directly. How to view order statistics. The sales statistics at the bottom of the order list will change according to your filter criteria. Total amount, the total amount of orders under the current filter conditions. Complete amount, the total amount of orders whose status is complete under the current filter conditions. Unfinished amount, the total amount of orders whose status is other than complete and cancelled under the current filter conditions. Cancelled amount, the total amount of orders whose status is cancelled under the current filter conditions. Sales quantity, the sum of the product quantities of orders other than the cancelled status under the current filter conditions. The settlement statistics form display at the bottom of the orders page, and the displayed amount has deducted 5% of the payment processing fee. Total income 95% of the gross sales of all orders with a status of complete. Payable amount, the amount you can currently ask Elecrow to pay you. Settled amount, the amount Elecrow has transferred to your store credit. How to ship the orders. Elecrow will fulfill the orders for you and send the parcels to your customers. Elecrow will send the parcels according to the shipping method chosen by the buyers. Different shipping methods have different freight and time. For more details, please refer to Elecrow's shipping and returns section. How to do inventory management. The inventory field on the product page shows the current stock of your product. The stock is automatically reduced when a customer places an order. Elecrow will check the stock every month and correct it. When modifying inventory, you can view the inventory change history here. If the product is out of stock, you can select offline when editing the product status. Join us. The next best-selling seller is you.